How to change Bitmoji in Snapchat. First, launch Snapchat app on a device. Then tap on a Bitmoji from the top left corner. Next, tap on the settings icon. From here, select Bitmoji option. Here you have multiple options through which you can change a Bitmoji. Tap on change outfit. Here you can change the outfit of your current Bitmoji. You have different types of outfits that you can choose for a Bitmoji. Select the one that you like. After you're done, tap on the save button from the top right corner. Now select edit my Bitmoji. Here you can change the face and body of a Bitmoji. Like you can change the hair by tapping on the hair icon. Here you have variety of hairs that you can choose from. Select any one from here. You can also change the eye color, eyebrows, nose and many more. After you're satisfied with the changes, tap on the save button. And that's how you can change Bitmoji in Snapchat.